Welcome to another one, and today I'm going to show you guys how to create thumbnails. So I started here with my blank canvas, and I am going to duplicate this picture that I generated using ChatGPT, and I'm going to size it to fit, and I'm also going to add the torn paper effect that I added in the video that I'm doing this thumbnail for. Size that to fit, remove the background. Okay, and now I'm sizing it to fit again. And I went ahead and duplicated it, and then I flipped it vertically and sized it to fit at the bottom. Now I went to elements and I'm going to search for TV frame. I did made a few mistakes there, and I chose the second one that I saw. Size that to fit. Now I am going to go ahead and add my text, which is going to be how to. Move it there to the left. Went back to the other page and duplicated that black box there, and bring it to that page, size that to fit the design. Okay, and now I'm going to duplicate that text. I'm going to change the color of the font to a light pink. I'm also going to reduce the size of the font, and I'm going to change the text to create. Reduce the text now, center it, and then I'm going to duplicate alter again, and I'm going to type YouTube intro, a YouTube intro rather, sorry about that, and I'm going to size that to fit. Duplicate that again, and then I'm going to type intro. Okay, now I'm going to go to elements and I'm going to search for doodles. Well, no, this step is completely optional. You guys don't have to add any doodles to it. There's no need for markings, but to me, it's a detail that matters. Sometimes it looks a bit plain, so I'd like to add some scribbles or doodles. And then I size that to fit 1 to layers, and I'm going to send it to the back. Okay, that's it. And now I'm going to continue search. I saw this beautiful camera, and I thought that yes, I have to add this to the design, sizing it to fit, and then I'm going to rotate it at a angle negative 10%, and now I'm going to go to positions just to see if it would look better behind the TV or behind the torn paper effect at the bottom. I decided to go with the camera being above the torn paper rather than behind, because I felt like it was more, it felt more into place there, if you get what I'm saying. Okay, and this is where I'm going to add the intro that I created for that video to the TV mock-up. Okay, and now I'm going to search for the pink textured paper that I use in the background for the intro video, and that's it. I hope this video was informative. I'll see you in the next one. Besito.